Well, hello again. As you know by now, you're working on those first 5 slides, and this is going to build into a project. That is your first start, is getting used to using the shapes, ungrouping and grouping, connecting, changing colors, making it. You have to first select a subject you want to work on. Ideas: a walk in the park, my future career, my life, famous people, etc. You need to have Microsoft PowerPoint or 365 PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation to complete this assignment. You all have access to one of those programs. Now, my next slide says now you're learning how to create animation. If you use pictures, it's hard to make them move without slide creation. Using shapes is easier, and you can make all kinds of things. I'll show you how in the next few slides. Now here, you already saw the skateboard in the last video, and you saw me group him. I'm going to ungroup him now in Format. I'm going to go to Group, Ungroup. I want to take his leg and I'm going to move it just a little bit more out. Okay, so now I've got that done. I'm going to group him with the skateboard. Okay. So now I can move him again. Now I want to right click and I'm going to duplicate the slide. Now I'm on the second slide. I want him up front and I want him to move over here. So now when I'm here, he's here, now he's here. See how they moved? And all I did was duplicate the slide and then I changed them a little. It still says the same thing. Here it still says the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and delete that out of there. So now you can see this. So now I have this, then this. I'm going to insert a duplicate again. Now I'm going to take and put him a little bit closer. And I'm going to move him a little bit closer too. So now I start here and you can see that they moved. That's all you're going to be doing is making the slides and changing them for what you need. Now down here, I have a show already done, and I'm going to go ahead and do this. And you see how the animation goes. Now, I want to go back to that. And you see how many slides that was? I've seen some kids have as many as 100, 200 slides to make their presentation the way they wanted to make it. It's all up to you. Now I'm going to open up a new one. I'm going to go to blank slides. I had somebody already text me and say, or email and say, I want to be an engineer. So I'm going to draw this block and I'm going to copy it and paste it quite a few times. And I can go Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. So he wants to be a building engineer. And I'm just putting some blocks together to make it look like a building. And I might need one that is a door. And I'll insert a handle and make it black so you can see it. So now, and I didn't group that doorknob. So now I've got my blocks for my building and I need some more blocks. So I'm going to go Control V, whoops, undo that. And sometimes you have to copy again. Oops. So if I'm going to build a building and I want it to look like something that I'm designing, I'm going to do that, but I'm still going to have a person. So I need to have a person that is going to be involved in this too. That, okay, that person is building this building because that is their job in the future. So the first thing I do is make that back again. And I'm going to get my cursor up in there. And make my guy. And I want a head. And what I want to do is I want to put something different on him. So I'm going to open this up, and I need a hard hat or something to that extent because he works in construction. So this might be a good hard hat. And usually hard hats are yellow. So I'm going to make that just a little bit smaller and come up. So now I have a construction man. I still need eyes and I need to fix some of this, but you have a general idea. Then I'm going to probably do this on a duplicate slide, and I want to copy some more of those. So I'm going to copy and Control V and Control V and Control V. So on this slide, I might be working on building it higher, but I'm still duplicating it because now I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to turn this one here. So now I want to duplicate it again, and I'll keep making changes. I don't have any words yet. I still have to insert those, and I can do that at any time. And I can do it now. So this just gives you a little bit of an idea on how you're going to make your show and talk about it. This one has the words, you know, and it's talking about the road engineering. And he's inspecting the road. Okay. Any questions? Don't forget to email me.